Hey guys, welcome back to Akahilz. We're live on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Significant volume of BTC supply now underwater. So we're reviewing this article live by articles done by Concepting Akahilz. So guys, if this is the first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe to this video, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We drop updates on crypto news, airdrops, NFT update, learn and earn campaigns, as well as other perks you might be interested in. So you want to stay notified, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop updates, beneficial ones. So guys, let's head over to this article. It says here BTC is at crossroads with an increasingly significant volume of BTC supply now in an unrealized loss. So Glassnode has warned. So in its latest weekly report, the analytics from firm revealed that 5.7 million BTC, that's about 30% of the cryptocurrency circulating supply, is now underwater. A metric known as the percent of supply is profit is now said to be at historically significant level, and Glassnode believes price activity in the coming weeks will likely provide insight into the medium-term direction of the BTC market. Its blog post added, further weakness may motivate these underwater sellers to finally capitulate, whereas a strong bullish impulse may offer much needed psychological relief and put more coins back into an unrealized profit. In other words, there is a danger that investors who made a purchase when BTC was higher may decide to exit their positions, exerting further downward pressure on BTC's price. Unless things improve soon, overall Glassnode believes that BTC bears continuing to have the upper hand in the market right now. So, but modest bullish divergences are appearing across a number of on-chain metrics and indicators. So looking at where things stand, you see at the time of writing on Wednesday, BTC stands at $41,314.06, so down 3.18% over the past 7 days. The prices have remained pinned below $45,000 for 2 weeks, but the world's biggest cryptocurrency is yet to slide below $40,000. There are fears that a significant dip below the psychologically significant level could spark additional sell-offs. So BTC last hit ATH of $68,789,000 back in November, and CoinMarketCap data shows that the current prices are exactly 40% below these record levels. So it does seem like many investors are adopting a wait-and-see approach right now and are resisting the urge to sell or spend their coins, hopeful that the current market drama is temporary. So the crypto fear and greed index remains paralyzed with extreme fear flashing a reading of 24 as of January 19. So those who trust this model argue that those calls represent a buying opportunity, not least because they have coincided with market bottoms in the past. But what's happening in the global economy more widely may mean that history doesn't repeat itself. Runaway inflation has prompted the Federal Reserve to set the stage for interest rates rises, something that could halt stocks and cryptocurrencies after almost 2 years of an unabated gains. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if you find this update beneficial. Stay tuned for more. Peace out guys, and see you in our future uploads.